It's cicadas because we live near the coast.
Around here we get like heaps of cicadas around. And they're really noisy.
Yeah.
As you can see, they're really noisy.
If you don't know what cicadas are, you can go Google it.
Especially if you live in a town. Oh no, it's mud. There's mud everywhere.
It was raining. That's why.
And my ears are about to burst. How loud it is.
It's very fun. I took a photo.
Wait, can I hold it?
Yeah.
There's the family. There's another family. There's another
one in the shot.
in this. Okay, right now we're just walking to that area over
Look
there.
at the trees.
They're beautiful trees, and there's a fly on my hand.
Come on, you gotta talk louder. They can't hear you.
And there's
Put your mouth near the microphone, but don't scream.
okay.
The microphone's on top.
So right now we're just walking down the little rainforest bit thingy,
Oh, look at that.
and we're going on a bush hike.
There.
And there's like a little river there. In that little bit there. And it's really noisy. Sorry that it's so noisy. And if you can't hear us, well then,
At least you can watch it.
yeah, exactly. So, just going on a hike.
When we
now.
watch over here on edit it,
Yeah.
you can't hear us.
Oh, there would actually be like wombats and kangaroos around here.
That's good bass bait, that.
Dad, no, that's a black prince cicada.
It is.
So there's like a black prince cicada there. Yeah. Yeah, we're filming the whole hike. Oh my god!
Did you get a shot of the cicada?
Yeah, I did. Oh look, and there's like a little butterfly there. And if you're wondering what type of cicada that was, it's a black prince cicada.
Yeah. I want to show them this. Look, there's a river in there.
There's a river in there.
Take a photo of the sign. See the video. You can't just come over here. It's too bright. I can't take a photo. It's too bright.
I want to hold it. Hang on. That was a black prince cicada. They're rare.
Yeah, I need to take photos for my pop and all that. Wow, look at that. Harlan's holding the cicada, Mum. Harlan's holding the cicada. I can't hear a thing right now. Like my ears are about to burst, but look at that. The cicada's crawling up Addie's arm if you can't hear. Keep it as a pet.
It just feels so weird.
Oh, look at that. I'm taking so many photos. Yeah.
What to fall down?
Don't want to drop my phone when we're like climbing a bridge or something. Oh, look, you can go down there.
Yeah.
Let's go down there, Mum. I don't think you can go down there. I don't think you can go down there. I think they're purpose. Oh, this is getting really hot.
Anyway, I'm going to ask my dad how did he catch it.
like walking up the stairs at home.
Oh my god. There's more stairs, right?
Yeah. Sorry. This is a hike.
I'm putting hand sanitizer on because of that little bug.
Ow, can't we just get me? Or knocked into me. Probably a cicada.
Probably just a little leaf.
What is that?
Oh yeah, that's something right into that.
That's beautiful.
But look at the rocks and the water running down there.
They're back there. He's there. I see it.
Look at this.
I'm already packing up on my
This
stairs.
is already nice to move here. You can hear kookaburras if you...
I don't think I can hear anything.
Well, they can't hear anything, but we can. Wait, are you recording?
Yes.
Oh no.
No, because I had to take photos for my talk. He would love to see.
You ever seen a rainforest like this before?
No. It's so cool.
You went to Minamara?
Yeah, Minamara, but it wasn't anything like
That's even
this.
cooler.
Oh, there's a hole there.
Yeah, that's spider hole.
Oh, look it up there. I think you can walk up there.
Oh yeah, remember we saw that last time?
So what?
Look, that little bit there.
It looks like twisted toes.
I'm closing up.
What the crap?
What?
Did you see that black prince fly over?
No. How are we doing it?
It looks so cool.
Wait. Mum.
Oh, wow.
Well, I can't see you. 1, 2, 3.
Is it turned off?
That's
This is wonky. Look cute.
Yeah, it's old.
Yeah, I
Don't
know.
break it.
That's
It'll
why it's
snap.
that.
Yeah, it's like most of these trees in the rainforest. Mum was like,
holding it. You never should have said that.
Mum, most of the trees in this forest are more than like 100 years old. Like Minamara.
Oh, there's like a big vine that goes across. Look at that one there.
Oh, wow.
That's a big rock. Look how
Mhm.
big that rock is.
It's huge.
Looks like all rude to me.
My phone's on 20%. Oh, no.
When we were at home.
I have to post this on YouTube.
Yes, you have.
It'll be cool.
Allie. Get Allie. Allie.
Oh, look up there, Addie.
It's
It's like the hill.
yeah, it looks like it. Because of them little things. I really want to go in there.
Me too.
I don't.
Oh, yay. Will we die by a serial killer? Maybe. I'm kidding. The last one that we went hiking on, remember that?
Doesn't this lead to like a big waterfall?
Does it?
Yeah, it does.
Oh, yeah, we can get a footage of that.
Yeah.
I'm still recording.
Leads to a big.
Look at this.
There's 2 ways to go. Which way should we go?
Be careful of
Okay.
holes in the ground. There's
Okay,
spiders.
guys. So we're going to a big waterfall, but I can't remember where it is. I've been here before, and I can't remember where. But I'm not going to that thing. Yeah, when Redley's going there. Come on. Yeah, on the way back we get.
You tired yet, Mum?
No, I'm not getting tired.
I'm not.
I'm not.
I'm taking heaps of photos.
I'm not even on level 1 on the tiredness.
You know, you can take photos while you're recording.
Are you making a YouTube channel?
Yeah.
Yeah.
A video, not a
Yeah.
YouTube channel.
We're going to do the subscribe button.
No, we already did it, I think. Probably.
Oh,
wow.
Oh, I remember going across that bridge.
We'll go take photos for them. I am not. Sorry. I do not want to go across that. Yeah, that's a horrible idea. Look at that one.
I went over one of them little things and I felt head first off it.
Ooh.
But I landed on my butt surprisingly, so it didn't hurt. Yeah, make sure you get nobody else in the shot.
I think I don't know. I got a couple of people.
Are you okay?
You right?
We should go down here.
I feel like I'm getting eaten alive by bugs, which I am. Allie, look at me.
So I'm gonna take
Smile. Oh, look at that. You keep going there. The cicada?
Okay, we're going on a bushwalk today.
He's recording too.
You can hear really birds and my dad actually put a black pink cicada on the ground. And it was really cool. I got to hold it, but it went up my arm and I
This is so
freaked out.
beautiful.
Yeah, as you can see, there's trees. Can we go down there?
Yeah.
On the way back.
On the way
On
back.
the way back.
Like, this is a clear path.
We're going to have our picnic house.
I'm just path.
We're not even having a picnic.
Yeah, we're not having a picnic.
No.
We're going to go see a waterfall. Hopefully we go on the right
Oh my
track.
god, look at that. Wow.
Sorry.
That looks like a thing from Dr. Seuss.
We're all trying to get... Oh, yeah. We're all trying to get good shots. We just got to follow the stream. Because of waterfall. What was that? Kelly moved. Back there.
Did you notice that food is my best friend?
Did you notice that you aren't my sister? That was kind of harsh. You are my sister. My monkey sister. Ew.
I remember swimming.
It is so cool.
Whoa, look at that.
Imagine like you're going on a really thin path and then someone else comes and knocks you over and then you fall off.
Oh my god, how many levels are there? Another.
And over there, look over there.
See any waterfalls? Babe. I take photos while I'm swimming.
Yeah, me too. Hi, Bob. Have it through. It's really slippery and wet too, and the cicadas have calmed down. Luckily. Ooh, steps.
Well, it's gonna lead to
Oh,
a
there's
big
someone up there having a picnic. That's cool.
waterfall.
Oh, no more steps.
Up the stairs we go. That's the view from up down there. All the family just looking at the water. It's absolutely beautiful. Come on. Imagine if you lived here. That would be amazing. Besides getting your ears blown up by the snow.
Cicadas at night.
Because of the snow.
Oh.
Yeah, but anyway, if you're new to this channel, click that subscribe button. Yeah. And notifications. And then notifications. And give us a thumbs up. And give us a thumbs up.
Please.
Please.
We really need it. We're desperate.
We want to get the subscribe button. use your pinky finger. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. If you did it in that time, comment down below. Yeah, that's for you somewhere. Tuck the phone down there. Just put it.
Bush.
Amazing. Waterfall.
Oh my god.
What?
I thought you were gone. Carla like went to walking.
So I'm not even, are you 1% tired? That's my cousin, that's my other cousin, that's my brother.
Carla and Ali, Addie, Layla.
My name's Addie. What's your name?
Layla.
Colin, what's your name?
Oh, more steps.
And the other one down there that's in front of us.
Did
is
you notice
Harlan.
what you just said, Addie?
Huh? Yeah. I
You said, Harlan, what's your name?
Harlan, what's your name? Yeah. And we're going up there. And that's for you. And making sure we don't get anyone else on this.
I got water.
Except for our family.
I'm going to take this.
Yeah, it's lit. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 people.
I can make bird noises. Watch.
You said to no. And apparently she's got Maria. Sorry, I got carried away. I found a big waterfall.
I see the water. It's over there. Comment down below if you can spot it. This is what we had at Minamara. These. And they're very slippery.
There's a big waterfall. I just heard something in there.
And I'm not
Striking.
This is exactly what we had at Minamara, just these platforms.
Yeah.
Ugh. Oh, wow. Yeah, you can take a better look from my knee. Some kids were running down these alleys, like super fast at Minamara.
Take your time. This is the adventure time. Whoa, did you hear that? It sounded like a snake. I'm not kidding.
That was my water bottle.
Guys,
It made noise when I jumped. Oh wow. Look at that. It's so high. Imagine if we saw someone at the top of that and they just fell.
yeah,
all the
we've
way
been
down.
swimming in there before.
What?
We've been like playing in there before.
Oh.
I need to get some socks. I need to get some socks. I'm gonna go in these rocks.
My phone, you're not.
Okay. Give them to me.
Mom.
Me too. I do it.
Bye guys.